Welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to show you that how you can enable your desktop icons like computer, user profile, control panel and network. So you can see there is no icon here, my computer or user profile or network. Okay, so how you can enable those icons in here. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so first of all open the settings, click on settings and open it, and now you can see the personalize option. Click on personalize option. When you click on personalize option, slide down little bit and you can see there is a theme option. Okay, so click on theme option, slide down little bit and you can see the desktop icon option. Okay, so click on desktop icon option. When you click on the desktop icon option, you can see there are many things here. Okay, select the computer. Okay, I want computer and I want control panel. Okay, and if you want to select those two, you can also select those two. Okay, user profiles. Okay, I have selected three icon more. Okay, and I just have to apply and okay. Okay, let's see, apply and okay, and now you can see the computer, this PC, the Raj profile here. Okay, and my control panel is also here. Okay, now you can see how you can enable. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Bye.